What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikopi Entertainment. So, I've been seeing a lot of rumors on social media. These rumors of Mangwabe finally leaving Mseleku and dumping him for good. And these rumors themselves, they actually have a solid and concrete foundation. Because if you watch Utandone's Temple, you'd actually see that Mangwabe was no longer happy being in this polygamous marriage with Mseleku, especially after he continues to disrespect her by bringing in a fifth wife instead of being satisfied with what he already has. So Mangwabe had said that by organizing the 50th birthday for Musa Mseleku, this is going to be my goodbye, my final, bye-bye, I'm gone. So the birthday came and Mangwabe arrived really late, she came really late. It was like the ceremony was about to end and she just didn't care at all. So these are the signs that this is the end of this marriage and it's going to be really sad, to see them separating. But anyway, this is where we are. Mangwabe might likely be leaving Musa Mseleku.